So go to the app folder, go to the resources, go to the layout, and open the activity underscore min XML file. First of all, let's convert the constraint layout to the linear layout. You can right click it, and then select the convert view, and then select the linear layout and click apply. After that, at the top of the UI, we will have a title of the app, which is My Cafe app, and then it looks a bit bigger, which is 36, and the text field support is in the center. So I'm going to change the layout width to the mesh parent, and then I modify the gravity attribute to the center. So this is how I make the text field in the center. After text, we are going to have the edit text. So I just drag and drop the edit text. I'm sorry, the linear layout should be in the vertical orientation. So, and then I should remove the width, which is automatically created by the Android Studio. So for this, I'm going to have a mesh parent as well for the width. Next is the order section of the UI. So in this section, we are going to have a linear layout, which is in the horizontal orientation. So let's drag and drop a linear layout, which is a horizontal orientation. And then I'm going to have two text view. The text view, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Let's try 24. So does this one. The text view is one is for the latte, another one basically is the quantity. For this section, we are going to have another linear layout in the vertical orientation. So look for the linear layout and then the vertical orientation, and then drag and drop it. Inside the linear layout, we are going to have two buttons. I'm going to drag and drop it first. So the button should using the wrap content. We are going to fix this area using the layout width. So I prefer to do it inside the XML code. Check for the text view and also the linear layout. So the width should be 0 dp in order for the weight to work. So try this. Change all the width to the 0 dp. Save it and go back to the design view. See, it is working as exactly what we want. We also need another button at the bottom of the UI. So this linear layout, the height should be in wrap content. And the linear layout for the vertical one should be in wrap content as well. So let's try drag and drop a button to arrange the button in the bottom. In order to arrange the button in the bottom, maybe you can try to adjust the gravity of the linear layout or the parent. Let's try the bottom. However, it's not going to work because when you select the gravity, all the element under the linear layout will go to the bottom. So it is not the way we want. Let's reset the linear layout gravity. My way is I will draw another linear layout, maybe it's vertical, and then I will drag another button inside here, and I will modify the gravity of this linear layout. Button. Next, let's adjust the UI so that it will look a bit aligned. For example, the edit text, I will give the margin for 8 dB, and also I will remove the text, and then I will look for the hints attribute. As name. So thus for this linear layout, I'm going to have the margin for all of it, and this I will arrange my button to the right hand side, which are using the gravity attribute. Right hand side, okay. And the button, one of the button is add, one of the button is minus. So for the button at the bottom is check out. And then I also want to give the margin for this button. And I also want to make this latte and quantity in the center. So I will look for the gravity and then make it in center.